I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best spicy chicken sandwich. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a spicy chicken sandwich. The chicken sandwich is gonna be dipped in a spicy glaze sauce. It's gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna serve the chicken sandwich with tenders, wings, fries, and a really nice Kit Kat milkshake. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with brining our chicken. I've got a large chicken fillets. First, you want to remove the tenders and then cut the breast in the middle. And then cut that into fillets. Make sure to even out the shapes by pounding the chicken from its thickest part. This will ensure they will cook properly. Give it the hot sauce, salt and some freshly grounded black pepper. Give that a mix and coat all the fillets properly, and now cover and leave it to brine in the fridge for a few hours. This is gonna add a lot of flavor to your chicken. For the dredge with a plain flour, we're gonna season the flour with freshly grounded black pepper, garlic powder, white pepper, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, with the salt, and finally some dried oregano powder. Give that a really good mix. You should be able to taste your flour, it doesn't have to be blunt. Now just set aside for later use. To make our spicy sauce or glaze, first of all we're gonna char our vegetables. I'm using a red chilies. You wanna slice them in the middle and then de-seed them. There are different varieties of red chilies, so you wanna use the one that you really like. And again, you can use mild chilies or extra hot, it's really up to you. I'm also gonna use a bit of the garlic for more flavor. And finally half an onion. Now place them on a baking tray, add a drizzle of oil. And give that a mix so they are well coated with oil. Now these goes into a preheated oven until they are nice and charred. Now once nice and charred, we're gonna throw them in the blender, add in the pickle juice. Now we're gonna blend this until nice and smooth. And I'll just set aside for later use. Now to prep our glaze, turn up the heat around medium. Here with the butter, plain flour. Give that a mix and cook the rawness of the roux. This should take you around 2 minutes. Now you want to slowly mix in your chicken stock. And now combine in our chili paste. Now if you like a bit more heat, you can throw in some cayenne pepper, touch of this black pepper, a light of this MSG which is optional, and finally some salt. Now give that a really good mix. Now you want to let this cook on low heat for a few minutes and bring it to simmer. Now when it starts to simmer, just turn off the heat. Have a little taste. Has a bit of kick to it. Delicious. Have amazing spicy sauce. Done. This sauce is gonna go perfectly with our chicken sandwich. Now before we start coating our chicken, turn up the heat around medium high. Here with the oil, you could use any neutral oil, and you want to bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius, and you want to maintain the temperature. And to coat our chicken, grab your flour, chicken. You will also need some cold tap water in a bowl. But first of all, grab your chicken, and this goes into the flour. Coat that properly. Now shake off the excess flour, and this goes into the cold tap water. Just leave it there for a few seconds until the flour is wet. And now carefully remove the chicken. And this goes into the flour again. A really good mix to that. Now if you want, you could double coat the chicken, dip it in the water and then back into the flour again. Now just shake off the excess, and this is what you're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil. Carefully place your chicken. Just keep it there for a few seconds. And let it swim. Now you want to let this cook for around 7 to 8 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius and we have a nice crispy brown exterior. Trust me, this is one of the best chicken sandwich that you're gonna try. Alright guys, our chicken is done, let's remove it. Just make sure to drain off the excess oil and remove it on a rack. Got some of the chicken tenders. I've got here some of the wings as well. We're gonna cook them for around 5 to 6 minutes, and later on we're gonna glaze them in our sauce. Our amazing crispy chicken sandwich. Done. For our garlic mayonnaise, we're gonna start by cooking down our garlic. And with around 13 to 15 garlic cloves. And with the neutral oil, so something like sunflower vegetable. You could also use avocado oil for this. To add some more flavor, we're gonna use some bay leaves and some fresh twigs of thyme. Give that a mix and let this cook on low heat for around 30 to 35 minutes until our garlic is completely done. We're also trying to infuse that oil as well with the garlic and the herbs. Now once the garlic is ready, we're gonna pass it through a sieve and separate the oil. And you want to let the oil cool down. In the meantime, we're gonna smash up the garlic so we can use it in the mayonnaise later. Now to make our mayonnaise, in with the 2 large egg yolks, in with the Dijon mustard, in with the fresh lemon juice. You could also use vinegar instead. Give that a really good mix and combine everything. Now very gradually we're gonna start incorporating our infused oil until the mayonnaise comes together. If you're not comfortable doing this with your hands, you can also do this in the blender. If you want to add your oil too fast in the beginning, then your emulsion will break and you don't want that. Alright, so that looks great. Now with your garlic, season with freshly ground black pepper, salt, fresh parsley, and some more lemon juice if you like. Now give that a really good mix. Have a little taste. That is so delicious. Our amazing garlic mayonnaise. Done. Alright guys, let's assemble our chicken sandwich. Grab your mayonnaise, some of these pickles and lettuce. Grab your toasted bun. Or first of all, generous amount of garlic mayonnaise. Amazing. And some of the lettuce. A few slices of pickles on there. Now you want to grab your chicken and dip in the spicy sauce. And that goes onto there. Oh, it looks so delicious. Slice of American cheese goes onto there. A few more pickles on there. And finally top of the bun with some of the more garlic mayonnaise. Our delicious chicken sandwich. Done. For our Kit Kat milkshake, grab your blender, here with a chocolate ice cream. Here with a Kit Kat, a good quality vanilla extract. I like some of the hazelnuts and almonds as well in there. Touch of this dark brown sugar for more flavor. And finally some milk. You could also add some of the ice cubes if you like, but I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Now cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Alright guys, let's check this. So nice and thick, tastes delicious. Serving our chicken sandwich with some of these wings and fries. Finally some of our sauce. Alright guys, in with our Kit Kat milkshake. Some of this whipped cream. That looks so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Bismillah, I'm just gonna have a taste of the sauce first. The sauce in itself is so delicious. Alright, let's try our chicken sandwich. Look at that. Bismillah. Wow. This is much better than takeout. And the flavor of the spicy sauce, it is so delicious, and along with the chicken sandwich, it just adds a different kind of flavor which is really good. Let's try our wings. Bismillah. 10 out of 10. Come on, just look at that sandwich. Alright guys, let's try our milkshake. Mixing some of the cream in there. Bismillah, I'm just gonna take 2 sips. Oh man, that is so good. So delicious. I just wanted to say Alhamdulillah. Allah has given us a lot of beautiful food. We should appreciate it and always thank Him for everything. Now that was so delicious. You guys are gonna really enjoy it. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure subscribe, make sure like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.